So let's test our GitHub trending repositories to ideas workflow. And here we have our message. It contains the repository link, description, language use, and the opportunity we can build using this repository. So let's test again our product hunt ideas to new ideas. And here we go again. We have the link to the product hunt post, the description, and the opportunity. Hello guys, it's Elvito back, and today I have two interesting workflows that we are going to go through together. The first one is GitHub trending repositories to ideas. Basically what this will do, it will go through the page of trending repositories, this page. It will crawl it because we don't have a way to fetch it using GitHub API. Then after crawling it, we will use the AI agent to get the repos link, and then we'll then use the API for GitHub to fetch the repositories. Then we will formulate a message that we send to our Telegram users to tell them the trending repositories and the opportunity we can build behind them. It's same for product hunt. We'll go to product hunt. It will go through all these top products, and then it will give us a message on Telegram. We'll use a scheduler trigger. So let's dive in. So let's go first into the prerequisites. The first thing that you need is to understand the AI agent node. The second one is the Apify API key, OpenAI key, and the Telegram bot connection. So first thing, let's talk about the AI agent node. It's the new node that you saw that has some small nodes attached to it. That's an AI agent node, and it's a powerful automation tool that receives data and make rational decision and takes action to achieve a specific goal. So you give a specific goal to this AI agent, you tell it what it has to use, and then it will use them. So AI agent node has different kind of options. There is a tools agent, and this is the one we are going to use. Basically, you give it external tools and API to perform action and retrieve information. So we need also the Apify token. To get the Apify token is straightforward. We'll go to the console of Apify. When you click on API and you copy any of these requests, you get the token here. So for the OpenAI, you go to platform.openai.com and you need to connect your Telegram to n8n. So let's dive into our workflow. And let's first work on the GitHub trending repo. The first thing that we need is a scheduler. We need it to run daily, midnight, no problem. We test step, and we need to add our AI agent. To add the AI agent, you click on Advanced AI, and you choose AI agent. You have all the types of agent here. As mentioned, we'll be using tools agent for now. And we will define our prompt into this text field. So here is where you instruct it how it will do everything. So I'm going to copy and paste the one that I used before. Here it is. UI coding project idea generators. You'll be using trending GitHub repository, page crawler, and get GitHub repository. Please, you are going to crawl the GitHub trending page, and after crawling it, it will return ugly results, but we will use the AI agent to get the repository link, and it will use the get GitHub repository using the GitHub API. We'll then generate the opportunity, and we will send the message to the Telegram. So as mentioned, we need first of all to add the model that we're going to use. We'll choose OpenAI chat model. We'll connect to our, here is where you will set your API key, and we'll use the model. Let's choose GPT-4o. And that's the first thing. The second thing can be the memory. Memory basically is very important when you are building like the chat system, where you need it to always remember everything in the session. So let's add it, and we'll add two tools. The first one is the page crawler. To crawl, we'll use Apify, so I'll add HTTP request, and I will add the URL. I'm going to copy and paste the URL that we need, and it's api.apify version 2. We need the website content crawler, and we need to make sure that it runs sync get dataset items. We need to use generic credential type, and the generic we'll use is query auth, and the query auth account, you'll add your token. The token we copied here. If you copy this, you can paste it anywhere and you'll get the token. And we will need to send the body, and we will use the JSON, and here we'll add this JSON. Basically, this is how Apify, you can go ahead and read the Apify documentation, but we have to send the URLs which we want to get to crawl, and we'll crawl the trending GitHub repository page since daily, and you have to add max crawl page 1 so that it doesn't continue to crawl to other pages, because we need as few repositories as possible. So that's the first one. So this one, it will be the trending GitHub repository page crawler. We can go ahead and rename it so that it doesn't confuse us. Rename. And we will add also another one to make requests to GitHub directly. So also you'll have to go through GitHub API. It will look like this: api.github.com/repo/username and repo name. This one doesn't need any authentication. It's free to use. We will just also need to rename it to have the get GitHub repository name. Sorry, GitHub repository name. So here it is. And this is all about our AI agent. The remaining thing is to connect with Telegram. I have to go through Telegram, send a text message. We'll connect to our Telegram account. For this, we need to get the chat ID. I'll copy mine. For the text input, we'll need to execute the previous nodes and grab their results and drag and drop into text, or use JSON.output, which will basically take the result from the previous node. And for the GitHub trending repos to ideas, that's all what we have to configure. For the product hunt, you'll go ahead and configure it. What will change is the requests that you'll need. It will be the product hunt API. To use the product hunt API, you need to go to producthunt.com and click on API dashboard and use this token and read their docs to understand how they use GraphQL, because this is a new node which is GraphQL, it's not HTTP, and you'll have to fetch all the first 10 products that's trending today. Basically, to come and fetch all the top products launching today. And that's all what we need. And send it to Telegram. So hopefully today's video was very helpful. We learned how we can use this tools agent, which is a very powerful one. We learned how we can give it instruction. We also learned how we can give it different tools to use and use the results the way we prefer. So you can go ahead and try the two workflows. The two workflows can help you generate new ideas based on other people's ideas. And if you face any issue, you can hit me in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. To all AI enthusiasts, see you in the next one.